Hey guys, good afternoon. I literally just got done doing my makeup, and the girls and I are going to the beach. It's in Solomon's. So yeah, I have my swimsuit already, and then I'm on my way to pick up Alexandra so Alexandra can Alexandra and I will go to Mary's house to see Leah. So yeah, that's like our agenda for today. We're going to the beach. It's really nice out there. I know my highlighter is too much. I gotta listen this up. But anyway, I'm just gonna get my stuff ready and I'll update you guys later on. Hi baby. We're going to the beach. Hi. Oh, look how cute.
Cannot sit there.
He wants to be alone.
Someone's coming.
Okay, we're on the way to the beach.
The drugs, come get it now. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. Bitches is bad, bitches is trash. Let's say hi, Marvin. See me win, they gotta hurt. So when they see me, hey, rich figure, 8 figure, that's my type. That's my type, nigga, that's my type.
Here at the beach. Where's the stick, Marvin? Does he have the stick? Hi, hon. Oh, it's right here. Here. It's so like, ready? No, I have to put it back up. You're so excited. Wait. Go boy, Marvin. Good boy, baby. It was so good. It's nice and warm. Hi, baby.
See a manta ray.
Huh? Beach, baby. Oh, it's so hot. With Chick-fil-A, of course. Nonetheless. Marvin! Baby!
Day 3.
Hey guys, good morning. Today is Friday and this is a continuation vlog from 2 days ago because I forgot to charge my battery, and yeah, that's why, because I couldn't vlog because the battery was dead. But anyway, Crystal is coming finally. She's healed and she's on the way. We are going to the beach and we're also going to get brunch first and then go to the beach. So I'm just waiting on her. But anyway, this is like my makeup for today, like a glossy lips and like a little bit of a just makeup. But anyway, this is my outfit. I got this at H&M and I got my swimsuit ready so I don't have to keep, like placing it. But yeah, that's that. But yes, we're going to the beach again, so I'm really excited. But yeah, I'm really excited to see her because it's been a fucking while that I haven't seen her, and I'm so excited to see my best friend. But yeah, I will update you guys once she got here. Bye. My bitch is here.
I'm finally here. I finally made it. My best friend always come and see me. I had to.
Come and see me. I was about to sound like, come and see me for once. Oh, get down. Who are you?
I don't know.
Her here. She's picture ready. After a week, she's healed because I told him that you couldn't come. Yeah. But I still have to edit that footage. Purple. Yeah. But now she's back, and I'm better, baby. We're at the Highland Hideaway. I'm about to get some brunch. Feeling bougie with her coffee and
Really good.
yes. So this is
the
the pretzel and the crab sauce, the special one, calamari.
do this for the gram,
Yeah.
A few inches later.
Alright, on our way to the beach. eating. We're at the beach.
Yeah. I mean, where the fuck should I?
We're at the beach. Look at the mermaid with the red hair and green. Hey guys, so we're done at the beach and we're back here. We're going to Solomon. No, we're going to Tiki Bar, right?
Yeah.
But we just have to find a parking lot. I think you can park. I don't know. The fuck? What you got?
What is it? The orange crush.
Orange crush. Yes. Cheers.
It's orange.
I had vodka and cranberry, and we have free popcorn. Tiki Bar.
It wasn't like you were.
Because I know all of us are
We're here at Tiki Bar. Finally. Cheers. Where's yours? Cheers. We're here at Tiki Bar.